Here we are. I got the number 2 engine going. Number 1 engine you saw was the American Flyer with the gear. All we did was replace the fields, wired fields with magnetic fields. Runs like a top. Here's our number 2 engine, magnetic fields, but as you can see, this has no gear. No way to put a gear in here, but yet I still have my smoke. It's a digital fan smoke, but I need something to tell me when to puff the smoke. So I put a worm gear on the shaft and I spaced the armature back about 6 millimeters. And then that allows us to put this timing gear on, which will bolt on here when I get it right. It's not right. I got it. It's actually too high, so I got to lower it somehow. And then we'll have our gear going, and every time that pulses, it goes through the sensor you just saw. The sensor sees a stripe. It sees a stripe, and it goes pulse, pulse, pulse. And it tells the fan to pulse, and it tells the sound system to make a sound like a pulse. So we are on our way. Engine number 2 is operational, and it's purring like a kitten. It's really good, and I'm looking forward to getting this thing going. I got to do a little work on this gear while I come up with a dimensional change that I need. Wow. That's crazy. That's pretty nuts. Okay. While I come up, sorry about that, freaked me out. While I come up with my dimensional changes for here, I'm going to go ahead and print a next one for the next engine. Actually, it's this engine over here, and this will be Leon's engine. That's right. And we'll end up 1, 2, 3, 4 engines. I'm hoping maybe 5 by the end of the day. I have 6 in total that I can build. Actually, 7 now that I look at them. What are they multiplying like rabbits here? Okay, I'm gonna get back to work, get my finger out of the viewer, and I'm gonna adjust that down. I printed a new adapter standoff thingy, and that changed everything. So what I used before was a big fat dude, and he was a different height, and so I had to make changes. You do not want to get these guys close to each other. Okay, I'm gonna go. I gotta tear these guys apart. More later.